Hello. In this video, we'll discuss the EasySteps application. To start out with, you might want to look at some documentation. To do that, you can click on Manuals, All Documents, Application, and User Manual EasySteps. This will bring up a PDF file of the EasySteps user manual. So we can get out of that. The first thing you need to do if you want to use EasySteps is to determine if the EasySteps application is loaded on your drive. So to do that, we'll log into the drive. And then we'll look in the Parameters folder. If we see a folder for EasySteps, we'll know that it's there. But since we don't, we know that we'll need to install the EasySteps firmware onto the drive. To do that, we'll log out, and then we'll install firmware. So we'll click on File, Install Firmware. We'll pick the firmware file we want to install. For this video, we don't need to worry about the interface, so we'll pick None. But the application is important because EasySteps is an application, so we'll drop this down, select EasySteps, and say OK. Are we ready to download? Continue OK, and we'll start to download the firmware. Once the firmware is installed, including the EasySteps, we log in and complete the configuration. We complete the configuration by importing our configuration file . And then we go in and check that our EasySteps folder is there, and indeed it is. There are three main parts to the EasySteps application. Those are Smart Control Word Behavior, Analog Parameter Scale, and I/O Motions. The first thing we'll discuss is the Smart Control Word Behavior. Basically, this allows you to control some of the functions in the LinMot drive without having to use up input pins to do that. So we'll start with the home flag behavior. Basically, what this allows us to do is when the switch on bit goes true, if the drive needs to be homed, we will do this automatically, or the drive will do this automatically. So if we double click on this, that will enable the auto home function of the Smart Control Word Behavior. Oftentimes, people use a separate pin for their error acknowledge bit to clear errors. If we use the error acknowledge flag behavior here in EasySteps, we can double click on the not switch on flag. That means that when the switch on bit goes false, the drive will automatically reset any errors. These are the most commonly used features under Smart Control Word Behavior in EasySteps. This concludes this video on EasySteps. On our next video, we'll discuss Analog Parameter Scale and I/O Motions. I'm Jeff Burt. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and please give us a call or visit us at www.linmot.com.